schedule nyo with impeachment session and hearing, sir?
Very, ano talaga, malaking hamon at hindi magiging madali. So, over the weekend nga, kausap ko na yung PICC to secure rooms. Kasi kung gusto natin magtrabaho, importante yung kwarto as logistics for hearings, technical working groups, and even consultative meetings. So, hindi ko tatanggapin yung dahilan na walang kwarto kaya hindi ako trabaho. So we started talking to PICC at of course may additional gastos pero parte yan ng trabaho.
How many rooms are we renting sa PICC, sir, para ma-accommodate lahat ng hearings?
Yeah, at least naman ang tinitignan namin to secure kasi dito sa Senate meron tayong 2 rooms lang out of the 12 rooms
Na available, sir?
na available. So we're securing additional 4 at the very least. But we told them kung magkakasabay-sabay, give us at least mga around 2.
Sir, wala, yung impeachment na pag-uusapan na ba kung pwedeng i-shorten, bilisan na para makafocus na rin kayo talaga sa trabaho niyo, sir?
That will depend on the prosecution and defense. At nakita pa naman as we go along, yung defense at prosecution, na ano na rin sila, nakaka-adjust na rin sila. Kaya makita natin marami ng testigo ang tinanggal. Di matagad, Article 4. So, as we go along, tingin ko, paano pa yan? Pwede pang bumilis.
Pero mukhang magbabangga talaga hanggang end of the year yung pag ano nyo sa budget and then sa impeachment.
Yeah, importante yung
Sasabay.
budget. Yan ang pinakamahalaga. Kailangan ma-approve natin yan on time. So, magbabangga talaga siya, magkakasabay siya. But hindi magiging dahilan nga yung magkasabay. We just have to adjust and support our senators. Importante yung support sa senators natin.
Sir, sorry, yung sa PICC na renta, Monday to Friday o Thursday, Friday lang because ng hearings?
Monday to Thursday, pero kung kakailanganin, even Fridays and Saturdays.
Sorry, sir, how much are we looking at?
Wala pang cost, so we're still negotiating with them. So nag-negotiate kami sa PICC kasi ano siya, package deal eh. Yung rooms, pagkain, sound system, logistics. So ini-negotiate pa man.
But definitely hindi pwedeng mag-hearing habang nag-impeachment. So the hearings will be sa hapon, sir?
Ang hearing will be Thursday or Friday. And Friday. Thursday and or Friday.
No hearings on Monday to Wednesday.
Walang hearings kasi meron tayong impeachment. Unless mag-hearing sila na